So this is exactly how to remap the keys on your Aula F75 keyboard. So basically what you need to do firstly is to make sure that it's connected here to your PC or laptop. Now when you have done so, then we will need to get the Aula F75 software. So because I have the EpoMaker X Aula here, that's the one that I have to get right here. So if you have the same, perfect. I hope you can see, by the way, I'm just gonna make sure that it zooms in here, sorry guys. So you can see Aula F75 here, EpoMaker X Aula here. This is the one for me. But if it's not, you can just search for Aula F75 software and find your specific version. So this is mine. I had to click here and then I had to click on Windows software here to be able to get it. Then what I did is that I had to open up the Aula F75 here and you can see I'm now in here. I'm gonna also zoom in so you guys can see even better exactly what we need to do now. So the first thing we need to do is to go right here on the keyboard symbol and then select a profile. You can also click on the plus symbol here if you want to create another profile, but I'm not gonna do so for this tutorial. So then click on keyboard right here and now I'm gonna select a button. So for example, let's say I want to remap the L button here to, for example, space. And you can see the L button right now is actually remapped to space. So you can have any other ones here as well if you want to instead. And then don't forget to click on the save button right here. So now the L button will act as space here. So you can do K, for example, as well, and that one will be print. And then click on save. And basically that is exactly how to do this.